Hey everyone, I'm Emily with ProofTech, and today I'm going to introduce Nano Liquid Screen Protector with Application Tool. Our liquid glass is a unique nano coating that increases the screen's scratch and shatter resistance. It can be easily applied to all phones, tablets, and watches. It also works perfectly with curved and foldable screens. It's super easy to apply and will not bubble or peel. It's also fingerprint and smudge resistant, while it's 100% compatible with fingerprint sensors or readers. This package contains 3 bottles of liquid glass that can be applied for up to 12 devices, as well as a new and unique application device that will help install the liquid screen protector easily like a pro. It also includes 3 sets of cleaning and microfiber cloths. The package does not come with a AAA battery that is required to operate the application device, so just in case you don't have access to a battery, the package also includes 3 sets of dry wipes for manual application as an alternative. Now let's go ahead and apply ProofTech Liquid Screen Protector. Clean all glass surfaces thoroughly with the wet wipes applied, then dry with the cleaning microfiber cloth. Open the vial's cap and drip a few drops onto the screen. Use the application tool to infuse the liquid screen protector, and please make sure that the screen is completely coated, including the edges. Alternatively, dry wipes can be used to apply in a circular motion. Allow the glass surface to cure for at least 10 minutes. When it's dry, a residue will become visible on the surface. Use the microfiber cloth supplied in a circular motion to buff out and remove any residues from the glass surface. And that's it. Now your screen is protected with ProofTech. For more information on any of our products, please visit loveit.com or getprooftech.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in our next video.